Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ledger Nano X to Ledger Live, full guide. Start by installing Ledger Live, create or restore an account, then pair your Nano X via Bluetooth following on-screen prompts and set a PIN. Open the manager in Ledger Live to install apps, verify your 24-word recovery phrase only on the device, and update firmware if prompted. Keep your recovery phrase offline and never share it. Pairing can be smooth if you follow a few simple checks and keep things calm. Make sure Bluetooth and necessary permissions are enabled on your phone and verify the pairing code on the Nano X before confirming. If you run into issues, switch to a USB cable and restart Ledger Live. Always check firmware prompts in the manager and install the required apps for coins before creating accounts to avoid connection hiccups. If you are finding the video helpful, subscribe and like to support the channel, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum uses smart mapping and voice control to keep floors spotless, so while you manage crypto security you can let the robot handle dust. It's compact, quiet, and easy to schedule, which feels oddly relevant to keeping things tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Managing accounts is straightforward once Ledger Live and device apps match. Install the Coin apps in Manager, then add accounts and verify each receive address on your Nano X screen. When sending funds, review amounts and destinations on the device before signing. If a firmware update appears, install it in a secure environment and back up your recovery phrase. Treat the device as your secure key and never enter your seed into software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.